In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download folders in Google Drive. If you've ever needed an entire project, photo collection, or course folder on your computer, downloading it from Drive is straightforward. We'll do this in a web browser, and any modern browser works. The idea is simple. Select the folder, choose download, and let Drive package it up for you. First, head to Google Drive in your browser and make sure you're signed into the right account so you see the correct files. You'll land on the home view showing your folders in either a grid or a list. If you don't immediately see the folder you want, use the search bar at the top, or check locations like My Drive or Shared with Me in the left sidebar. You can also switch between grid and list view near the top right to make browsing easier. Click once on the folder you want to download. When it's selected, it will be highlighted and a new toolbar will appear across the top of the page. Need more than one folder? Hold Control on Windows or Command on a Mac and click Additional Folders to select them. Drive will include everything in the same download. Just remember, the larger the folder, the longer the process may take, especially on slower connections. With your folder selected, look at the top toolbar. Click the three-dot More Actions button or click the download icon that looks like a downward arrow. Both do the same thing, and if your window is narrow, the download option may be tucked inside that three-dot menu. Choose Download. Google Drive will start preparing the folder by compressing it into a single zip file. You'll see a preparing download message. Keep the Drive tab open while this runs. When it's ready, your browser will either ask where to save the file or begin saving it to your default Downloads folder. If nothing appears, check your browser's address bar for a pop-up block message and allow downloads from Drive. A few helpful notes as it finishes. The result is a zip file containing your folder. Very large downloads may be split into multiple zip files. Files created in Google formats are converted automatically. For example, docs to .docx, sheets to .axelsx, and slides to .pptx, so they open easily on your computer. If you're downloading from a shared location and don't have download permission, you'll need the owner to grant access. That's all there is to it. You've successfully downloaded a folder from Google Drive, and you know what to expect while it prepares and saves your files.